don't know what to say.
This year Christmas isn't normal in any way. Every year we think of the children on the children's floor. Bring them yummy Christmas cookies from Holman's Cookie Store. Mr. Holman drops off the cookies every year we say. Thank you, Mr. Holman, this will make the kids' Christmas day. This year it was different, Mr. Holman never came. So we went to Holman's Cookie Store on Arbor Street and Main. There we found the door left open, though the store was closed. Let's go in and check it out, girls. No one was opposed. So we took a Holman's box and filled it to the brim. We were set to leave the cookie store when Mr. Holman walked in. Ah!
What are you doing in my store? What are you doing in here?
We pleaded with him, show us mercy.
You help us out each year.
'Cause every year we think of the children on the children's floor. Bring them yummy Christmas cookies from Holman's Cookie Store. But Mr. Holman wouldn't listen.
You shouldn't be in my shop.
He just grabbed the phone from on the counter and yelled,
Get me the cops!
Soon the cops came to the store to take us all away. In all the loud